Why too many resistors are connected in this configuration? 1500, 1500 same value resistors are connected in this amazing configuration. Let's analyze this portion. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Same value resistor 1500, 4-digit marking, that means 150 ohm resistor. Size code for these resistors zero 0805. Size code is 1/10 watt, 0.1 watt. When we have three resistors in parallel, 150 ohm resistor, 3 in parallel, RT is 150 ohm divided by 3, 50 ohm, 0.1 watt for one resistor. We have three resistors, so 0.3 watt. These three resistors, each resistor 150 ohm, 0.1 watt. Now the total value is this. That means it is equal to 50 ohm, 0.3 watt. Then we have other three resistors that are also connected in parallel, but that are in series with this resistor, network. We can say another resistor network is in series, 50 ohm, 0.3 watt. Then again three resistors connected in parallel, but that are also in series with this one. This is in series with this one. (50 ohm, 0.3 watt). Now the total resistance of the circuit is 50, 50, 50, 150 ohms. In parallel, the power will be multiplied. In series, the power rating will remain same. This is 0.3, this is 0.3, this is 0.3, so total 0.3 watt. The manufacturer connected 9 resistors to obtain 0.3 watt. 150 ohm resistor with this value. Let's check with multimeter. These three resistors in parallel, 50 ohm. In this network, any point we will check, because these all points are connected together and these points are connected together. So it is 50 ohm. And this network is now 50 ohm, but from here to here 100 ohm. The same configuration here, 1, 2, 3 resistors. From here to here 150 ohm, but now the power rating is increased. This one resistor is 150 ohm, 0.1 watt, but now the total resistance with combination of this series parallel connection, the power rating is 0.3 watt. If any one resistor is damaged or we cannot find the same resistors, we can remove all resistors. We can install one resistor having 150 ohms, 0.3 watt, 0.5 watt, If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.